Hey friends, if you wish to view clipboard history in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So, the shortcut is Windows plus V, and this is the only method to open it. Okay, so you can view the clipboard history in the last panel. You may be at the first tab or the second tab or any tab, but just press Windows plus V and go to the last tab and you can view the clipboard history here. Okay, so this is how you can check the clipboard history. Other than that, you can search for clipboard in the Windows search bar. Go to clipboard settings, and this is the switch to turn clipboard history on or off. Okay, and you can also clear the data. There's actually another option to clear the data. On the same page, you will have the option to clear the data. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.